As this report said, as internal query about from auditors about KMA MP for Inshaya so Nisika common fund about 500,000 the odia abeyen sembebre. When are we mayor? My this clarification. Has it a mismanagement
in fact,
of common fund?
I don't have the right.
Okay.
Say meet me achieve because Ghana Mranich say management audit for the auditor. On the Ghana Mranich say every assembly be no. It needs to do much. No, I submit to financials in Army audit.
Okay.
And KMA we comply with it.
Okay.
Now say audit for the audit the first letter of the friend management letter.
Okay.
So management letter and your document that you can discuss even outside.
I see.
Because and any observation from the audit. That's our observation from the audit. Normally, they give you 1 month. Now, I know, and I also know auditors, no accountant, but now we buy a document we into your market, into no, all reply ma we are, and sana omodia ko, nafi, auditor general reported. So I don't know how this management letter, which is not a final audit, about Bontia, Afi, a month for discussing. The best say document you are on Saka, no document we are discussing upon. You call us and you give the explanation. So the law is an act which says that when a management report is issued, it's a secret. We don't discuss it until it becomes a final report. But once our candidate, there is no ambiguity about the MP spending. So the way people have been solely cleaning and nine, they will be it will be a fiscal year in terms of on spending.
Okay.
It is a money that was actually or making a request to be here or the support to the constituents. Will be here in the form of a loan, a repayable loan. So the money was paid to a bank. In a bank, they administer that money at the MRO. And then they were supposed to pay back until late 20, that is December last year. And our day letter by. Into that letter, say Mremono, a Bako executive committee now acquire assembly may adjust because now over the COVID menace I no money by anything. Young done a grant na young farmer omo. Because in this kind of thing and the so the COVID that has come. So because also could this kind of back from them it's going to be very difficult for them to pay. Into rather no. You change the use no. No, you go so you different commodities, but it has to go to executive general assembly. That is why I don't want to go deeper into it. But all what I can say is that there's no malfeasance involved. And all the queries that they raise, we have an answers for them. I don't once we are I feel now they have to come out and I don't want to delve into it. And in my issue statement, say anybody who has come across such a statement, in times like this, that normal we not SCT. Yeah, no, if you say, never we question, never will be appointment and this way will be image. Never fuck when there is no truth of awful say. Kumasi is not different from any other part of the region, and it's not different from any other part of the city. What is happening in Kumasi, you don't hear it's happening in Accra or Sunyane. In fact, we know say do will be a appointment. Let us take and tell what we can do rather than to forcefully destroy people because we want position.
Do you see say a calculated attempt to be discredited Kennedy can come to the idea we better abonting?
Oh, I think so, but I think I don't want to delve deep. But the president can say he hasn't committed any crime. Let us disabuse our mind from it.
One na kasa asemi buy from Menrich.
Oh, I know, and I'm a friend can say Unjama came and I retracted any issue statement. That is what I told him.
Oh, okay. Wow. I see. And are you worried, sir, as officer near my licky
Oh, but I'm not Kennedy. Don't take say so of only Kennedy. They also there was reports in about Bonson. KMA, I was also involved.
Yes.
And the man just says a KMA in Kwano Makan Hwashin. Because if we're chief executive, somebody be talking about say we about judgment debt and others. Then it goes against the way we use the money. Meanwhile, that wasn't That wasn't it.
So one project and the for Matnawa, Mana, a Canaba, Masisia, a Pali.
No, you see me when the way any panic has no.
Yeah.
That will mean in any date. I said in 2017 I reported on it. But just because in the panic who go and mass in Intino, no, I said in 2017 I reported on it. Something I inherited. Nipan will feel so back as a beer, maybe better a car more than 120. But as at today, near to me reduce number less than 60, and the one come once. And since I said it's a management report, and I don't want to go deeper, let me stay around here so that I don't get myself also into trouble.
Mayor says, "Be when you're worried, now no na kusibuafo, Enra Kennedy, now we Kumasi as a common a ye kakra or more pay, as will be a person go be any massy. When you're worried."
Oh, you see, the city has to be worried, not me, because of course the whole city in any massy. So what at all is wrong within the city? So idea that was say your baby position, you should be a senior uncle. Whereas if you go to other places, that's one thing education I want to give is that it is the president who has the prerogative to appoint. Now, I said, Yatina Akunyasui, Yatina Akunyasui, President Behe Wajuma. President is like a coach. Or about the first match a year, or the second match. Or no better no who say team now the boy, we should say team no, and that will be changing. So that why we have to leave it to. And it's not only me. Because I will share around Ashanti region 47, over 43, over here now, so be more, over here, so be more. Last it was Halidu, last it was just and Kwani idea, let me see, say, those who are coming, Yema, they should be beating me more than. Because now say, we didn't cut now, we could be Matema, Abra Kennedy Baya. Kennedy Baya, or better say, Onka, and all the some station become one. But meanwhile, at the time, we see go for the meeting. So when radio stations, every radio stations were amplifying it. But Kennedy now buy or can't say, oh no, I haven't said that. Have you heard any station reporting it? So this is one of the price you can pay to sell your city.
I see. Before joining us, na ne Kankam din komo. I didn't hearing you. Kennedy, what your penny? I don't know if you have any. Now you didn't come on the same issue. I think it has putting everything to rest.
Well, Buffy, me the fight a conyagram so I
think I may hang you off because of where I am. So me catch myself in me.
No, correct. Okay. I'm grateful Ross SCB. I no pay BBI I'm a Saturn Safro. Ross SCB Ramoten and Kano. Kankam. Yeah, na me kasa. I think he has put in everything. Yeah, na me bisa say I think he has put in even everything to rest. Say a normal internal process until enya de bia. Edi kwan say ono cry your worry say about thing.
Kofi me gare bitimi ma me nyare nsini na adaro
Jare
me gare we pa de ase bi chapu tu pa ma ma be sense no de ono de ote position de make at
exactly
and to ono no is bound by the oath of secrecy and oath of office you can so can one say
of course
me kuta position yeah I'm not bounded by the oath of secrecy and oath of office
and yeah you are right
and he can go by oath of secrecy and oath of office no now or the I said the management man because I chose to say if you are a member of parliament and information want to make one
of course
because I am swear oath of secrecy and oath of office but I say when you are someone and say majority do baby no we giant on the count I said I mean and yes Anna we be kind of say my peace another 70%.
You are right we
it's good to clarify say me ni Bolivia I want to the part
exactly
on ye bibia de na buy no or famra pass no dey no manyina and obi e wuti bia na yo no waka kire o say bia de bre no kra no can come on ye bibia
sure and I think it's a good response there for the assembly as well as war. Yes. I think so for now they say bibia kwa akoda considering all the response have been I told my listeners that we'll settle this case here and we've indeed settled it.